Welcome to the Millbrook Railroad, and today I was going to show you a product from a new sponsor for measuring. I was going to measure some roadbed, but we have 11.5 inches of snow. So we're not going to do that video today on account of we can't. Not easily, anyway. I mean, can't even get my feet up out of the snow without lifting them really high. So I'm not going to try. So, the snow plow is kind of snowed in. Oh, I guess we're going to have to, I guess I have to dig that out first. Well, here we go. I don't know, this might be too much for the plow. Okay, here's the way we're going to do this. We're going to do this in 2 passes, at least 2 passes. One pass with the wings in, second pass with the wings out. We'll see how far we get, see if I need to get rescued with the snowblower. Well, this is a lot of snow, and it may be too much for just one engine. And with the 71 in pieces, sitting down at Shady Pines, sitting down at the Stoddard Hill Farm Railroad, being measured for new parts, I guess we'll do what we can with this. behind me. Maybe I should anyway. How's it look back there? Getting down and digging in. She's getting quite hot in the process too. This is what burns up traction motors. What do you do? It's got to be done. Oh my. Well, I guess I got to dig this out now. Well, she needs a little time to cool off anyway. Well, I gotta say, I got a long ways before completely stalling. I can't turn the plow around, and it only gets wedged in even worse when I try to back up. So I think I'm gonna have to, unfortunately, call this a defeat. I'm gonna have to go dig out the rotary. Nobody likes the rotary. Alright, so why do I call this a rotary snowplow? Well, that's actually what it is. The rotary snowplow of old that the railroads used to use, that everybody loves so much, they evolved into this, the snowblower. Two-stage snowblower. It was an improvement, actually. Although some of the modern ones aren't so improved. Yeah, you gotta wonder, but the impeller in the back, that's the rotary snowplow part. And the auger in the front, that's also rotary, but it's that's the addition that was made sometime in the 40s or 50s, somewhere around there, 1940s or 50s. But enough talk, I gotta clean snow up. Now, before you say it, no, the plow does not need any more weight. It's got ice built up on the wheels. That's the problem right now. No amount of weight's gonna fix that. The only thing that's gonna fix that problem is chisels or something that scrape the wheels. Maybe I'll 3D print something like that, but not today. Here's what happens. You get snow buildup on the wheels. They roll, they stop. Try to back up, they roll. And look, that rolls up right off the flange. Well, if I keep doing that, it's gonna end up on the ground again, so I'm gonna have to chisel that stuff off the wheel. But before I do all that, I have to widen up these banks so I can actually get back up to the engine house. And so the number 10 can maybe push the flangeway clear. I don't have a lot of hopes for it with this much snow. It's more than I anticipated, but I thought the Weather Service was lying when they said 10 to 12 inches. Well, we're already over 11 inches. This might get a little shaky. We go on the ground again. Hey, we're back where we started, basically. We're back where we ended. Well, the plow's on the ground again. Probably more snow on the wheels. Oh, yes. We got serious snow buildup on the wheels. It's that kind of snow now. Oh my. It's like rolling a snowball. Well, it's not going to hurt it to stay here. Well, I guess this is where we leave it. Plow is definitely off the rails. There's so much snow buildup on those wheels that it's not going to move. This is the worst kind of snow. It's just turned to sticky. It's going to get even wetter. And I'll just wait until the snow is done falling, and I don't know how I'm going to clear the track, but not with this plow. I'm going to have to wait until it warms up a little bit, or chisel the snow off of the wheels, and after I clean the track up. I don't know, something like that, but just can't move it. Well, sometimes the weather wins. And this looks like one of those times. So I'm going to take the 70 back up to the engine house, and I'm going to go inside. I don't see any more reason to stay out here and beat all the equipment up, burn out another traction motor, or break another wing off the plow or something like that. No, we'll deal with this later. I've got it mostly cleared with a snow blower, so, well, I guess that works. One of these days I'll make a high rail kit for it. So I can just run it up and down the middle of the track. Maybe put some wings on the side, I don't know. That is a project for another time. As for now, I thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Shoot, I hope the footage came out. So, if you did like this video, hit the thumbs up button. You can join us over on Patreon, patreon.com/Millbrook Railroad. You can become a channel member. And of course, you can join us over on Discord, Millbrook Railroad Discord server. I'll have to find a link and post it in the description or something. So, well, until next time, keep it on the rails, I guess.